Brad Billingsley, Chris Nowak, and I have known each other for years, but the three of us hadn't hunted together for a while. We decided to book a goose hunt with Western Waterfowl Outfitters.
Well guys, first waterfowl hunt of the year for all of us. We haven't done this in a while.
After a pretty long big game season, how many days you guys got in so far? 170 between you or something?
Something like that, between sheep and elk and deer.
I haven't even seen Chris since our elk hunt.
You've never hunted with these guys, but Brad and I've hunted with these guys in several iterations of the outfitter service a lot of times. So these guys, they can call, they know the birds. This is a great cut alfalfa field. And we just saw, what, a couple thousand geese?
Probably 3,000 or 4,000. Eagle
got them up, so good news is they circled and went down, so we got to see them. They weren't too disturbed and getting up in a big glob, so hopefully they'll just start lifting off for feeding here soon. What really could even work better is dig a coffin about, just a trench about that deep so you're flat.
Yep, absolutely. There's more coming at us. See them up here?
Oh yeah.
Clint?
About 6 or 7 of them.
They're high, but they're angling towards us.
Yeah.
Jim Roth and his sons, Jared and Clint, run their business out of Greeley, Colorado. Northern Colorado has become a goose mecca, one of the best areas in the country. There are thousands of wintering geese. One of the unique things the Roths offer is the opportunity to hunt over a full spread of stuffer geese. They have stuffed all of the birds themselves, and although they aren't trophy room quality, they don't need to be for hunting.
I didn't see the 3.
Bill.
Tell those guys to get down over there.
That was your fault, Bill.
Stay down!
Chris, man, I'm impressed.
What?
With the goose calling.
Oh,
sounds awesome, seriously.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you were... Did you literally learn to blow it on the drive up?
Yeah.
It sounds good.
It does sound good.
What are these doing right here?
I can't tell. Looks like they may be sliding this way. Here we got some low ones up here.
These geese have been hunted for months over plastic decoys, and later in the season, feathers can be a game changer, especially when the spread numbers over 400.
You want to slide this way? You got 3. Oh, they flared hard too. Here we go, he's down. Here we go. Nice calling, boys. Way to go. Way to go. Here we go. Nice.
Oh, into the fence. Yes, boys.
Nice going. Nice going.
We've hunted with the Roths 3 previous times. They are passionate about hunting, and so was their dog Jack. Jack lost a leg to cancer, but it didn't stop his drive, and watching a good dog work adds to the enjoyment of the hunt. Unfortunately, the cancer returned that spring after the snow goose season, and he didn't make it.
There's birds. A whole bunch of them back up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Right on top, right on top.
Okay, guys, get ready.
Nice!
Dude, good job, guys. Dude, that was awesome. Awesome. Awesome shooting. That was great. Ooh, I like those. Come on.
They broke up. They broke up. Come on, somebody.
There's something off to the left, to the north.
Do you think it's me?
I think it's your calling, Brad. I think you should
It was
hold
your
the
lack
gun.
of calling.
I think they
You should
saw
have been calling.
they saw the reflection off your gun there. Oh, I thought for sure we'd peel at least one out of that.
Well, that one peeled off, and then you look up and see him over here.
Yeah, yeah.
And turn him away. Oh, there's another flock.
Yeah, those look
Those
good.
look pretty
those
good.
Look a lot better.
Cover up, cover up. Watch your barrel.
Kill him, guys, right there. Kill him, kill him. Nice.
Oh,
Man, it
perfect.
jammed again.
What?
The third time it jammed.
You jammed.
I'm doing shooting single shot.
Single shot Billingsley. Is it
Well,
the
that's
gun
too
or the
bad, 'cause,
operator?
It's the gun.
We got dead geese over here. I know they're dead falling on this side.
At least I killed him.
Kill him, kill him. Oh.
Kill him straight up. Oh.
Nice shot.
Sweet.
You got them both.
Sweet, buddy. Sweet.
Nice calling.
All righty.
Very nice. You did that
That's
right.
the double, baby. That's the double.
Take him, Brad. Take him.
Go. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo.
Yeah! That's a limit.
Sweet. Way to end it up, guys.
Yeah.
The three of us do as much DIY hunting as possible, and although this was an outfitted hunt, we love to help set up the spread and get involved in the calling. This was just a one-day hunt and was as much about spending time together as it was about killing geese.